Hello everybody, welcome back to Ohio Tickets with Robert. We have the $5 Cash Explosion 25X, went up to $150,000. Reveal a 5 times, 10 times, or 25 times multiplier in here, or you could reveal an entry to be on the TV show. Match our numbers to the winning numbers. We're on ticket number 27. The odds, 1 out of 3.77. So here we go. 16, 18, 29, 36. All right, if we get a star symbol, it's an automatic prize. That's the only other special symbol that you'll see on this. 31, 24, 27, 15, 1 off the 16, 28, 1 off the 29, 20, 39, 37, 1 off the 36, 35, 1 off the 36, 30, 1 off the 29, 34, 29. All right, we have a winner. We have a winner. Let's hope we can get a nice big bonus symbol. All right, next. 23, 21, 26. All right, let's see if we will have a bonus symbol. What do we got? Oh, okay, it's a 5 times, which kind of worries me because this could be $1 under here. Let's hope it's not, but I have a feeling it is. Oh, it's $2, so that's a $10 winner. All right, that's 10. Doubled my money. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and join if you haven't done so, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.